What's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Ian. We are going to look at the navigation bar in AutoCAD in detail. Let's jump into it. Here we are in AutoCAD and this is our navigation bar. The first one shows full navigation wheel, but you have many selections to choose. Click on that arrow and you have over many of them as displayed. Let's look at the first one. Once I click on it and I come to free space, it shows the zoom, orbit, pan, lock, center, walk up and down, and rewind. Rewind shows you the previous moves. Zooming is zooming in, zooming out. Orbiting is orbiting around a point, and looking or centering, move and walk, move and look up or down, they are all shown up. For example, once I long press my left mouse button, you have the top and the bottom when you move like that. When you release, you can pick another like orbiting, and it tells you that is the pivot. Then you can orbit around. When I release it, still I have the option for pan, and you can pan left, right. You long press your left mouse button down continuously as you give your mouse motion over your plane. When I release, I can rewind, and once I have rewind active, you see all the previous moves that I made. That is the purpose of rewinding. When I release it again, you can looking around. When I release it, I can walk from there. You see my cube moving around already. So I'm moving in that direction where the arrow is showing. When I release it, our last one is zooming. You can zoom out and zoom in. All these keys, you long press your left button down continuously, then you give motion, a forward motion or a backward motion to your mouse to attain this action. We can release it. If you need to close this, you close there. Now, if you need to set back your work to default, you can click on the top so it goes on to the top. Then you can use these keys to take back your north in position. Let's look at other options here. For example, the 2D wheel. Once I click the 2D wheel, you see that you only get the tools that you can use under 2D. That is zooming, rewind and pan, and all work as before. Let's close it. All the rest of options you can simply work upon with them, but they all have the same tools. It is a matter of knowing how each works as described below. Now, we always see pan, like on this full one, we have pan onto it. That pan is the same as this one. So once you click on pan, still you can pan with the same command and same action, or you can pan by pressing your control down and your scroll wheel down. And you can also see that you can provide moving if we have those keys held together. But if you need to pan, you hold your scroll wheel down and you give motion to your mouse. This technique is for you to move around your screen. You press Ctrl down, place your scroll wheel down and give motion to your right. That means that you will be going to your right. If I go to my left, it will come to my left. When I need to go up, you have to target the north properly, or down. Let's go over an angle. So like that. That is done. You can practice it. Then we have this one where we have zoom all, zoom dynamic, zoom scale, all these shortcuts. Zoom all is to zoom everything. Zoom extend, it depends if you have a figure. And once I go to zoom all, you have it zoomed all. Zoom extend, zoom extend. Where are you? Zoom extend is active, so it is already working. Zooming in, that is it. Zooming out, it is a matter of ticking and the actions work for you. The next one is orbit. To orbit, you can place your shift down, your scroll wheel down, and you give motion to your mouse over a surface. You can orbit that way. Or if we are there, because here it is already taking orbit, then free orbiting, once you click on it, you have this guide, and you hold your left down and you give motion to your mouse. Now, the exciting part of this is continuous orbiting. Once you come over here, then you select continuous orbit and you left click and give motion to your mouse. You release your left click. You see everything orbiting around. If you want to stop it, left click. If you want to continue when the command is still in, you click, give motion and release. You click, give motion like that, release. So if you make it slower, it will move slower. If I make it faster, then it will go faster. It will depend on what you want. This you can use it to show presentations in AutoCAD. The motion is what we looked at. The rewinding, the winding, all those activities that you have done before, they are shown up there. That is what enables it to play. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.